Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, let's see how to solve question 2 of exercise 5.1, chapter number 5, arithmetic progression, class 10. Okay, now let's get started. What's the question? Write the first four terms of the AP when the first term A and the common difference D are given as follows. So in this question, we'll have to form the AP series. So they have given us what is A. A will represent the first term, okay, and they've given us D also. So it's quite easy question. Now let's get started. Let's start with the first question. So the first question is A. First question will be the value of A is equal to 10. Okay. And the value of D is equal to 10. So basically what is AP? AP is the D or the common difference or the fixed number is being added to the every preceding term. Fine. So the here starting number will be 10. So first 10. And what will be the next number? I'm going to add the fixed number, which is D. So 10 plus 10, that will be 20. Okay. Then again for this 20, I'm going to add D. So 20 plus 10 will become 30. Then 30 plus 10 will become 40. 40 plus 10 will become 50. So this is the AP series. Okay, fine. Clear? So first question is easy. Now coming back to the second question now. So basically we are adding D here. So basically 10, then this is plus 10, then again plus 10, again plus 10, and so on. Next question. Next question here, A is equal to -2 and D value is equal to 0. Another easy question. So here in the first part, first question D value was +1 and here the second D value is actually 0. Now the starting one, the first number will be 2. If I add 0 to -2, the second term also will become -2. Again I add 0, again -2. Again I add 0 to the third one. Fourth term also will become -2, -2 and so on. Yeah, easy. So basically, how do I get AP here? Plus 0, plus 0 here. The fixed number is 0. So plus 0, plus 0, plus 0. So the numbers are same. So -2, -2, -2. This is the AP series. Fine. Now the third question. It's the third question here. So third question, A value is 4 and D value is -3. So now we have got a negative D now. So A value is equal to 4. Okay. And D value is equal to -3. This is D. Okay. D value is -3. Now, how do I find this one? Actually, we can use the same method like how we used for the previous one, or we can use the general form of an AP. Now, what is general form of an AP? So, general form of an AP is A, then A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. Now, let's say what is A here. So, A will be 4. Okay. Now, A plus D, that is A will be 4 and D is -3. So, plus -3. Okay. Then 4 plus 2 times of -3. Then again for the fourth term, it will be 4 plus 3 times of -3. So this will be 4. 4 minus 3. So this will become 4 minus 3. This will become 4 plus then it will become minus. So minus 2 into -3 will become -6. Then 4 +3 into -3 will become -9. Let's simplify this one. So 4, 1, and then 4 minus 6 will become -2. Then 4 minus 9 will become -5. Now these are the first four terms of the AP series. Fine. Okay, so this one I've got the answer using the general form of an AP. So what's the general form? First one is A, then I add the fixed term. So A plus D. The third term it will be A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. Okay. Here A is 4. So 4. Then for the first time it is just 4. Then we add the A plus D. So D here is negative value. So 4 plus I just written -3 within brackets since it's a -1. Then again 4 plus 2D. So 2 into -3. Then again 3 into -3. So when we simplify, we get the same answer. So we can do this in the same method like how we solved the first two questions. Okay. Let's try that method also. This is method 1, method 2. So basically starting point is A, right? So A is actually 4. I add -3 to this one. So 4 minus 3 will become 1. Okay. Then again, I add -3. So 4, then this -3. So 1 minus 3 will become -2. Then again -2 minus 3. Again, I'm adding -3. That will become -5 and so on. So the answer is same. Answer should be same actually. Fine, what I'm doing? So basically here, D value is -3. So I'm taking away -3 for each term. Easy, clear? Fine. Okay, now let's move on to the fourth one. What is the fourth question? Fourth question is A is 1 and D is a fraction. A is 1, D is 1 over 2. So for the fourth question, for question number 4, A is equal to -1 and D equals 1 over 2. So D is a fraction here. A is -1, D is 1 over 2. Positive fraction, but okay. So now let's start. So we will use the general form. So A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. A is -1. Okay, then A plus D. So A plus D will be, okay, we will write in the column, in the vertical form so that doing calculation is easy for us. So A is equal to -1. The next one is A plus D, just -1 plus 1 over 2. Okay, then A plus 2D, which is equal to -1 plus 2 times of 1 over 2. Then A plus 3D, -1 plus 2 times, 3 times. Yeah, so 3 times of 1 over 2. Now let's simplify. So the first one will be -1, first term. Second term will be -1 plus 1 by 2, that will become -1 by 2. We see like this. So -1 plus 1 by 2, right? Just take an LCM. So this will become 2. So multiplying 2, that will become -2 plus 1. -2 plus 1 will become -1. So -1 over 2. Okay, for the next one. -1 plus 2 will get cancelled, become 1. So -1 plus 1 will become 0. For the fourth term, it will be -1 plus 3 over 2. So -1 plus 3 over 2 will be 2 -1 plus 3. This is 2, sorry. So -2 plus 3 will become +1. So answer is positive 1 over 2. So the AP series will be, what will be the AP series here? So for the first term, it is -1, then -1. So -1, -1 over 2, then 0. Fourth term is positive 1 by 2. Now these are the first 4 terms of the series. Fine, clear? Or you can use this method also for the same question. Basically start with -1, then keep on adding 1 over 2 for the previous term. Fine, clear? We will get the same answer. Okay, now question number 4. For question number 4, the value of A and D will be A is equal to, no, question number 5, sorry. Question number 5, value of A is -1.25 and D value is -0.25. Now we are getting decimal and both are negative values. This is question number 5. For question number 5, A value is equal to -1.25 and D value is 0.25 and that is also negative. Wait 1 second, it is negative or positive? Let's just quickly check it out. Okay, it's negative. Here it's negative. Okay, now let's say this is A. First term will be A, which is -1.25. The next one will be A plus D. So next term will be A plus D. So -1.25, then -0.25, which is equal to then A plus 2D -1.25, then plus 2 into -0.25, A plus 3D, which is -1.25 plus 3 times of -0.25 is equal to. Now let's solve this one. So the first term will be -1.25 and the second one, it is 1.25, both negative and minus 0.25. So that will be 10. Carry 1, that will be 5. Then that will become 1. So minus 1.50. I just write neatly here. So that will become minus 1.50. Okay. And for the third one, it is for the third one, that will be minus 1.5, minus 1.25. Then we'll have to multiply. So 0.25 into 2. So 10 carry 1. 10 carry 1, then that is 4, 5. So 0.50. So 0 plus minus. Okay, so minus 0.50. Now it's add. So 0.50 plus, not plus, both are negative. So minus 1.25 minus 0.50. If you add them, that will become 5, then 7, then 1. So negative. So that is equal to minus 1.75. Again, for the third one, it will be minus 1.25 plus 3 times. So that will become minus 0.75. So if you add, that will become, what is this? Minus 1.25, then minus 0.75, 10 carry 1, 9, 10 carry 1, that will become negative 2. So answer is negative 2.0. So here the AP series will be minus 1.25, okay? Then minus 1.50, then minus 1.75, then minus 2.00, and so on. Okay, fine, easy. Okay, now we will do this one in the easy method also. So basically my starting point, what is value of A here? So A is minus 1.5, right? So minus 1.25, sorry. Then my D value is minus 0.5. So if I add minus 0.5, that will become minus 1.50. Again, to this one, I'm going to add 0.25. That will become minus 1.75. Again, if I add minus 0.25 to this one, it will become minus 2.00, and so on. Okay, so these are the first 4 terms of an AP. Easy, clear? Fine. Okay. Okay. So in the next video, we will solve question number 3. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel. Also, please hit the like button. Thank you so much. Meet you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.